So if you have seen the Tailor's OnePlus 5 review, or you have seen my last video, that in this video there is the transparent screen in the OnePlus 5. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that transparent screen or how to edit like Tailor in your Android device. So yeah, without being said, let's jump right into the video. The first thing is shooting. So for shooting, first of all, you need to take a screenshot of your home screen. Wait, let me take it. And after taking a screenshot, just download a green screen image from Chrome and take a screenshot of it. And as you guys can see, here's the screenshot and here is my home screen image. So first shoot the home screen for how much long you want. So yeah, let's take it 5 seconds, I guess. Let me shoot for 5 seconds. So after shooting that, just open your green screen, as you guys can see here, and make sure that the camera doesn't move at all and the background doesn't move at all. So after shooting the home screen and the green screen, just take your phone and shoot the the background. So let's move to the editing now. So as I've said guys, that I will edit this video in the phone, so I'm using the best editor in mobile phone, the KineMaster. So just click on this plus button, click on empty project, and then what you guys want to do is click on media browser, and you have 3 videos with the home screen, with green screen, and the empty one. So first take the empty one, and then take the normal one with the home screen one, and then just click on layer and click on media, and you have to take the green screen video, as you guys can see, and then scroll down in the green screen video and click on opacity and just decrease the opacity, as you guys can see I'm doing. After that, just touch in this and adjust as the background, and after that just turn the opacity to full. Now just click on the video and then click on chroma key and click on this button, and as you guys can see, it is just removed, and here's the transparent screen. And if it shows some lightness, then just click on this and adjust it as per your requirement. After that, here is the video, as you guys can see. Now in the transition, click on this and click on classic transition, and then select the third one, crossfade, as you guys can see, and just turn the timer to around 4 seconds. And now here is the preview of the video. Wait guys. As you guys can see, here's the preview. Now you can just export the video and use it anywhere. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then leave like, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. So till that, peace out and have a nice day, and bye guys, and follow me on Instagram. My username is anubhav.jpg.